Hi there, welcome back after a very long time. I mean, very long. I hope you guys are doing good and well. So, if you guys are wondering why am I here today, I'm going to create a masterpiece with these magical hands again. I know this setup is quite small, but it's okay, nothing to worry about it. So, the reference for today's drawing will be this. Yes, the reference of Sukuna. But it is made up of color pencil. I'm thinking to do it with pencils. So, it'll be of completely pencil shading. But I'm thinking to do these eyes, which are in the background, with the colored pencils. So, let me first grab my materials to start my drawing.
2 hours later.
Oh my god, after searching for so long, I just found only these materials. I don't know what I'm going to do with these things. I don't know will it be completed with these materials or not, but let it be a challenge for me that completing this artwork only with these materials. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I've already completed the outline of Sukuna. I hope it is looking like Sukuna. If it's not, please adjust because I'm very lazy to do it again. So, jokes apart, now let us begin with the drawing. First, I'm going to complete these deadly eyes. Before starting it, let me sharpen these pencils. I'm having this brand new sharpener with me. So, let's sharpen it. I feel so funny while using this sharpener. Very funny. Sharps very well. Yes. Now, keeping this aside, let's begin our work. Okay, now we are done with this eyes. So the next part which I'm going to share will be his hair. The best part of pencil shading is that we can erase it n number of times whenever there is a mistakes which we cannot do in other things. So now let us begin with his hair. Okay, now I'm done with this hair part, but I don't know, something is looking funny. I think this because I didn't extend his hair beyond it. That's the reason it is looking somewhat funny. I'm feeling that. So you guys comment down whether it is looking funny or not. Next, I'm going to cover his ears and his dress. So let's begin. Okay, so I've already completed his dress part and neck and ears, but I'm not very satisfied with his neck. The shading is not like what I expected, but I'll try to correct it later on. Usually for pencil shading, I usually blend with either tissue paper or these pretty hands. Yeah, every artist can relate, I guess. If we don't get anything in our hand for blending, we just use our fingers to blend it, which is very good and which gives a good result. So usually I use tissue paper, or you can even use cotton for it, so that you get a fine blending of pencils. These are the pro tips, very pro tips for pencil shading. Okay, now I'm going to complete his face, shading lightly on his face and his tattoos and his lips and everything. So let's get started again. Okay, so finally the complete drawing looks something like this. I hope it is looking good, guys. But I couldn't do anything for this neck wala part. You know, I tried my best to alter it or something, but it was going to ruin more. That's the reason I didn't go to make so many alterations to that. But I'm left with these eyes part. I'm currently not in the mood to do this part. So I'm thinking to give myself a break and even some hydration to myself and then start with it.
2 hours later.
Sorry guys, I forgot to start the video when I started to color it. Suddenly I remembered like I'm missing something. Then yeah. Now let's give life to these eyes with my colors which are present here. I'm using Bristol's color pencil. So let's start. Okay guys, so after so much of struggle and everything, the artwork is complete. I hope it is looking same as the reference, at least a little bit. If it's not, then please do adjust, guys. I know I have made some mistakes. I hope it is not affecting the complete drawing. So if you like the complete process of this drawing, and if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment about how the artwork is. Rate it out of 10, guys. I'll meet you in the next one.